Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. So in this video, we're going to talk about a company that will give out personal loans even if you have bad credit. They do not require a hard credit check in order to get you approved. It's pretty easy to get approved. Now, if you do have pretty bad credit, the interest rates can go up to 35%, but you can get qualified for a loan up to $12,000 even if you have bad credit. So watch this entire video so that you get all the information before you apply. And also, if you want to see more videos about personal credit, business credit, as well as business grants, make sure that you subscribe to this channel, hit the bell icon to receive notifications on when I release new videos. Also, really quickly, we are running an end of year sale on our personal and business credit building ebook. The personal credit ebook is $27 right now. That is 70% off of the original normal price. This ebook comes with several free bonuses. It's going to teach you how to repair your own credit. It's going to teach you how to structure your credit reports to receive funding. And also, you're going to receive a free credit repair letter template for you to use to send to the credit bureaus, as well as a secret lenders list and also 10 credit builder accounts that you could add to your personal credit profiles to help boost your credit score. The link will be down in the description. Also, we do have our brand new business credit ebook. Even if you don't have a business, you can buy this ebook and start your business using the information in this ebook. We teach you how to set up your business credibly, also teach you how to set up your business credit profiles and add trade lines that do not even require that you use your personal credit, that you can start getting money and credit accounts to start your business or to grow your business. Link will be down in the description as well. You do receive 3 free bonuses with this one as well. The price will be going up in the next couple of days to $199. This is a pretty value-packed ebook. This comes with over 100 pages of information. So this is not some little ebook that most people sell. So if you want to take advantage of these 2 offers, link will be down in the description. Now, the company is OfferTurn. I've talked about this company before. I believe it's been about 2 years since I talked about this company, but you can get a loan for pretty much anything that you need to get a loan for. You can get it for debt consolidation, bills, repairs on your home, and more. The lowest amount that you can get is $300. And again, the highest amount that you can get is $12,000. Now, this company is a pretty reputable company. They have been around for a while and they have over 60,000 reviews on Google and Trustpilot. Now, if you are in Arizona, California, Florida, New Jersey, or Texas, you can get access to a secured personal loan or a regular personal loan. So you have 2 different options if you do not qualify for the regular personal loan. Now, keep in mind the secured personal loan will require that you use something as collateral. So if you have like anything that you have paid off, pretty much if you have a paid off vehicle is pretty much what they usually will require if you would like to get a loan and use that as collateral. And you can get more money if you have the title to the car and that car is paid off. You can get up to $18.5 thousand. Now, if we go over here to the loan calculator, you can kind of estimate your payments before you even apply. Now, keep in mind, some of the rates may vary by state. So you'll select your state in which you live in. And then if you are going to not use a car, then you're going to put, I'm still making payments. So that APR can go up to almost 36%. And you're looking at about $200 a month in payments if you get a $5,000 loan at 39 months. If you go all the way up to 45 months, you're looking at a little bit less than $200 per month. And again, the rates vary by state. So if I click Florida, the rates are lower in Florida. So with the same type of loan, and also the length of the loan may vary as well. And they'll usually put your payments at every 2 weeks. If you get paid every 2 weeks, it's gonna be based off of how you get paid. Here's some quick information about the application process. Now, they may ask you for some documents like your W-2s, or they may ask you for proof of identity such as your ID or proof of your residence, or they may be asking for all of that. So be prepared to have documentation if they ask for it. Also, keep in mind they are going to be looking at your annual income and your monthly debt, as well as your ability to pay, and if you have employment history. So if you don't have good employment history or anything like that, that could get you denied. It's not going to be necessarily your credit score, but things like inconsistent employment history or a lot of debt that you already have on your credit reports, that may get you disapproved or denied. But there is no hard credit check to get pre-approved, so you're not gonna risk any increase or anything on your credit report. Now, the application process should only take you 10 minutes, but they may ask you for additional documents like your ID, proof of address, proof of income, your contact information for your employer. Pretty much it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.